To prevent water from running when cleaning an infrared fitting, the fitting can be switched off for a period of 3 minutes. To do this, the cleaning mode function must be activated in the settings. Otherwise, the cleaning mode on the fitting cannot be used. This is the case in the programs 1 to 5. To set the cleaning mode, hold your thumb coming from below on the lower part of the sensor system. The diode lights up 1 time long and then starts flashing. Now remove your thumb from the sensor. The cleaning mode is active and the fitting is switched off for 3 minutes. Double blinkers indicate this. To turn the fitting back on before the 3 minutes have elapsed, simply hold your thumb back on the lower part of the sensor system. The diode glows 1 time long. As soon as the light stops, your thumb can be removed from the fitting and the cleaning mode is finished. By the way, the duration of the cleaning mode can also be adjusted via the separately available remote control. To do this, first connect the remote control to the tap. Select the menu item Configuration. Navigate to Cleaning Mode with the arrow keys. Set the duration of the cleaning mode via the arrow keys on the slider between 3 minutes and max 9 minutes. The setting must be then transferred to the fitting by pressing Send on the remote control. A check mark in the upper right corner of the remote control indicates whether the transfer was successful. If an X is displayed, the process must be repeated. The short-term off is not activated in 2 of the predefined programs, programs 6 and 7. You can change this at any time by selecting another program.